Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 15. Let's see today's topic. Students, our today's topic is chapter 15 and today we will learn this chapter and today we will do question answer of this chapter. And this is lecture number 4 and our today's HW number is 4 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, look at here, this is our chapter 15 and the name of this chapter is Day and Night. The name of this chapter is Day and Night and this is page number 37 of your science book. Look at here, here is two picture. Here is two picture. First picture is daytime, during the daytime, and this is the night time. And look at here, what is written? Day is bright, night is dark. Look at here, this picture we can see this picture is bright, so this one is day, and the next picture, this one is dark. We can see here is the night time. So we have understood that daytime, when we see the sunshine in the sky, it is day, and when it doesn't, it is night. And now look at this picture. Here is, this one is sun and this one is our earth. And look at here, when sun shine fall into Earth's this side, it will be daytime. It will be daytime. But here is the another part. Here is night time. This is dark side, and here will be night time. And this Earth rotate on its axis. This is axis. This is an imaginary line. And the Earth completes its rotate once every 24 hours. Students, now I hope you have understood what is day and night. Students, now we will practice some question answers of this chapter. Look at here, I have written here some questions and answers. 1 number question is daytime. What thing do you see in the sky? Answer is, we see sun in the sky at daytime. We see sun in the sky at daytime. 2 number question is night time. What things do you see in the sky? Answer is, we see moon. We see moon in the sky at night time. I am repeating, we see moon in the sky at night time. 3 number question here is, when do you sleep? When do you sleep? Answer is here, we sleep at night. We sleep at night. 4 number, next one is 4 number, when do you go to school? When do you go to school? Answer is, we go to school during daytime. We go to school during daytime. 5 number, this is the last question, when do you play outside? When do you play outside? Answer is here, we play outside during daytime. We play outside during daytime. Students, now I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Students, here is our HW. This is 4 number HW, and your HW will be question answers. Question answers, 4 question answers. Here is total 5 questions and answers, and your HW will be 4 questions and answers. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. Dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.